Living in the city, you get used to a lot of things. Bad drivers, interesting characters, but above all,
The noise.
but like, everything makes noise. Cars, rain, your girlfriend, microwaves. Matter of fact, the only place there isn't sound is space. That is, once you turn off your Spotify playlist. That wasn't even 10 seconds of silence. And yet, there is a near infinite, peaceful universe void of any sound. Except, remember 34 seconds ago when I said everything makes noise? Well... I feel like I have some explaining to do. First off, no, your 5th grade science teacher did not lie to you. Sound waves cannot travel through space because there's no medium for the sound to travel through. There's not enough particles for them to bounce off of. Well then, that settles it. The interstellar sounds you heard earlier were nothing more than science fiction.
Liar!
Sorry, 2005 Hayden Christensen. I already bought tickets to the re-release of your movie. Anyway, the sounds aren't actually science fiction. The reason you're able to hear the sounds in space is because of a process called sonification. This process begins by collecting information from either gravitational waves or light waves, neither of which need a medium to travel. Once a sensor has detected interstellar X-rays, infrared rays, or even microwaves, a scientist can begin assigning features to sound elements. Frequency is converted to pitch, and brightness is converted to volume. From there, all you have to do is plug in the values, and then you get something like... that abomination. Anyway, it's like 2 a.m. on the day that this is supposed to be due, and I should probably just like wrap this up. So that's about it. Here are my sources. And here's an animation zooming out of the Earth where I was supposed to say something quippy as an outro, but I couldn't think of anything in time, so... The sounds of space.